guys, welcome back to Sissy Spaces. I hope you're enjoying your day today, and I want to thank you for sharing a part of it with me. In today's video, we're doing some deep cleaning, sharing an easy homemade lasagna recipe, and packing for our annual vacation. We're starting our deep cleaning in our upstairs owner's suite. If you're new to my channel, this home has two owner's suites, one downstairs and this one which is located upstairs. My husband and I use the downstairs suite, and we rent this suite to our oldest son until he can afford to get his own place. Some of you are probably wondering, why is she cleaning her son's rooms? Well, I like to give each of my boys' bedrooms and bathrooms a deep clean every 3 months. And it's that time again. I also enjoy cleaning. It relaxes me, and it also helps with my anxiety. If you didn't watch my last video, in it I discussed how my husband and I were able to become debt-free in 2015 on such a small budget. Since becoming debt-free, we've taken an annual vacation in which we go away for about 7 to 14 days to various locations. I started this channel on January 31st of this year, so this will be my very first vacation video, and I will post it next week. So if you want to see that video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Whenever I deep clean the bathrooms, I start in the shower. I spray it with my homemade mixture of Dawn dish detergent, equal parts white distilled vinegar and water, and my favorite scented oil. I let it sit while I clean other areas. This allows the product to work. The best thing about this homemade cleaning mixture is that it actually works, and you can use it throughout your home, especially on those hard to clean areas. This jacuzzi tub is easy to maintain because my son never uses it. I think it's only been used once when we had guests. The boys do a good job of maintaining their bedrooms and bathrooms, but they never wipe down their vanities. This is one of the reasons why I deep clean their bathrooms at least once every 3 months. Whenever I deep clean the bathrooms, I like to use my steam mop, and if you're new to my channel, you can pick this up at Walmart for less than $80. Now that the upstairs owner suite is clean, I want to sanitize the luggage and place it in everyone's room so they can begin packing. I like to vacuum each of them out and then spray them with Lysol and let the Lysol sit for at least 3 minutes before placing the luggage in each of the rooms. Use plastic bags to pack my vacation essentials. These sturdy storage bags provide added protection to the contents, as it keeps the contents away from all types of contaminants in the hotel bathroom. Also, if the contents spill out in your luggage, the spill stays within the bag. Lastly, when you arrive at the hotel, you can easily see what you have when you're ready to use it. Now that my packing is done, I want to get started on my easy homemade lasagna recipe. You want to begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and then mixing your ground beef, sausage, onion, and garlic, and then cooking that over medium-high heat until no pink remains. Also, if you're interested in making this recipe, I'll have it linked in my description box. While that is cooking, you want to combine your ricotta cheese with eggs. Now, if you're new to my channel, I always double my recipes. So here I'm combining a 32 ounce of ricotta cheese with 2 eggs, parsley, and Italian seasoning. The recipe linked in my description box will only use half of these ingredients. In another container, I'm adding together my mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese, and then I'll add half of this to my ricotta cheese ingredients. After placing my cheese mixtures in the refrigerator, I'm getting started on my lasagna noodles, and you just want to follow the package direction for those. Here I'm adding pasta sauce along with tomato paste and Italian seasoning. I'm also adding a can of pizza sauce because my family likes the taste of that. And I'm adding additional onion powder and garlic powder. After your noodles are done, you want to drain them and then add cold water to them. The cold water will keep them from sticking together. Once your noodles and meat sauce are done, you can begin assembling it. You want to add meat sauce first, and then you want to top with 3 lasagna noodles, and then layer the cheese mixture and 1 cup of the meat sauce, and then repeat, finishing with noodles topped with sauce. You then want to cover with foil and bake for 45 minutes in your preheated 350 degree oven. While my lasagna was in the oven, I wanted to get a head start on the dishes. I'm placing the dishes I removed from the dishwasher underneath the dishes that were already clean. This ensures you use all your dishes. If you're new to my channel, you're probably wondering, why is she washing the dishes before she puts them in the dishwasher? That's just something I like to do. I consider it sanitizing the dishes once they're already washed. Also, it prolongs the life of your dishwasher. If you're enjoying today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Once your 45 minutes are up, you want to add the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheese mixture and bake an additional 15 minutes or until it's browned or bubbly. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces, and I'll see you next week.